Xmas Super Bundle review and $3,175 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Xmas Super Bundle review or Christmas Super Bundle review. I'm not sure how they actually call it, but this product is very different. It is actually 16 products in one for the price of one, and the price on it is really reduced, but for a very limited time. Okay, so it goes live today on the 17th of December, and after it goes live you can essentially grab 16 different products for the price of one. So I'm not going to be doing a full review like always, because I actually did review already all of these products. Okay, so if you want to check out all the individual product reviews, I will have them listed in the description of the YouTube video. And right now let me share my screen and let's jump into this Xmas Super Bundle review. Now the sales page is super simple and the idea behind this is super simple as well. You're getting 16 products for the price of one for a very limited time. So as you can see, there's a warning right here. Xmas bundle price ends tonight. So this will be a super limited deal. And as you can see, it says Brandon and Jono Xmas bundle. So this is Brandon, you know Jono, these are the two guys behind most of the top selling products this year, and you can get a 99% discount on all of these. Okay, so in a second I'm going to tell you exactly what these are. So you're getting all best 2019 money making products and methods, a huge time saver and money saver, and obviously you're going to take advantage of the low one-time price for this massive package. So this is Xmas 2019 Super Bundle and you're getting all of this for under $20, and if you would like to buy these right now you'd have to spend almost $300. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna get the secret weapon, you're gonna get Octane, you're gonna get profit maximizers, you're gonna get cash magnets, you're gonna get stealth D, you're gonna get boomerang buddy, you're gonna get Aurora, you're gonna get Goodwill, you're gonna get Eclipse, Cartel, Vid Chomper, Enigma, still scrolling down, Atomic Done For You, Equinox, Invisible, and Super Funnels. Now keep in mind all of these are W's of the Day awarded products released this year, so they are still super relevant, and you're getting all 16 of these for not $300 but under $20. Okay, so we're gonna go through the pricing in a second. Again, this is a super limited low time one-time price, and this is again released by Brandon, Mace, and Jono Armstrong. So this is the sales page, not much more to it. Obviously you can go through this in your own time. And right now let me show you the members area, and the members area is super simple. Essentially you're just accessing all of these products one by one. Again, so again, we have the little introduction of video right here. We have the Invisible, Super Funnels, Equinox, you know, all of these products that I just mentioned. And again, I'm not going to be reviewing every single one product right here in this video because I already did that for you guys. So I have a video and a blog post and a demo for each and every single one. And again, if you want to check out every single one of these products, I'm going to add all of my reviews in the description of the YouTube video. Okay, so that's essentially it. There's not much more to it. So let's jump into the pricing and the funnel. Now, as you can see, the main product will be $19.97, but again, this is for a very limited time. So get your hands on it today, as soon as it goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so we got $19.97. Upgrade number one, we got $67, and for $67 you're getting the Xmas Pro bundle, and in this upgrade you're gonna get access to every product Pro or Platinum version. Okay, so obviously all of these products you're getting with the main version are the basic products, and with the upgrade number one you're getting all of the OTO ones, which are the Pro versions. Okay, so again, you're saving tons of time and tons of money with this. Okay, upgrade number two, we got $197, and this is, as you can see, agency rights on everything plus live coaching. So you can add another income stream, and obviously with agency rights and live coaching, you're going to be able to join the top 5 affiliate marketing guys out there. So this is a super low price, keeping in mind that you're actually getting coaching with this $197. Upgrade number 3, $197 as well, and as you can see, this is the ultimate done for you upgrade. So you're gonna get access to every done for you upgrade ever made and boost your products with done for you campaigns, done for you funnels, done for you swipes, done for you templates, and obviously this is something that you will make easy money with. So all the done for you packages these guys ever released, you're getting it bundled all together in upgrade number 3. And upgrade number 4, $97, and the last one, and this is license rights on everything, which means that you can get 100% commissions on all 16 products. So normally you would pay $197 or $97 for just one license rights to one product. You're getting 16 different products and license rights to all of them. Okay, so again, super simple. Essentially you're getting 16 of each, so 16 of them. OTO 1 inside you're getting 16 products, then OTO number 1 you're getting 16 pro versions, and then upgrade number 4 you're getting 16 resellers licenses. So this is how it works. Again, super brilliant idea. And let me show you my bonus, and I actually will give you a bonus that I made for Brandon's and Jono's last product. Okay, so you're gonna get this bonus worth $3,175. You're gonna get a custom made for super funnels that I made. You're gonna get a reseller license to 3 of my own products, Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. You're gonna get done for you campaigns. So this is something that I normally sell as an OTO to my own products. You're getting it for free. You're gonna get Buyers List Ninja, my own product on how to start creating a buyers list. You're gonna get Urgency Suits Pro. This is a must-have piece of software for affiliate marketers. You're gonna get the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier. You're gonna get Fuego Breakout, my own case study on free traffic, Tube Traffic Avalanche, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram marketing made simple and profitable, the easiest way to 10K per month, 10K a month online, and also 11 additional bonuses. And these are Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, and Facebook Photo Contest, and 9 additional plugins: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, IASK, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. And as always, guys, I'm giving away my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. So this will bring it up to a total of $3,175. Now, I don't have a specific written review for you guys, but again, I have a separate review for each and every single one of these products that are included in it. Okay, so as you can see, I have the review set up right here for the Secret Weapon, for Octane, for Cache Magnets, for Stealth D, for Boomerang, for Aurora, for Goodwill, for Eclipse, for Enigma, for Equinox, for Invisible, and for Super Funnel. So I think I'm missing like a couple, but again, I'm going to link to all of these in the description of this YouTube video, so you can check all of these out if you want to. And again, you're getting 16 products for the price of one, so this is an absolute no-brainer. Even if you're just going to use 2 or 3 of these products, it absolutely makes sense. And obviously you can think about picking one of these OTOs up if you want to. Now, let me show you how to claim my bonus before you go. And all you have to do to claim my bonus is click on your icon right here, go to purchase history, and then just click on the product that you got through my link. This will open up the delivery page, and under the green button that says access your purchase, you're gonna see another button saying bonus from Art, and this will be only if you'll decide to pick up this product or any other product from my link. Okay, so if you picked it up through someone else's link, you definitely won't see it. And if you did pick it up from my link and for some reason you are not seeing it right there, just shoot me an email or send me a message, and I will sort this out for you. Now, guys, that's my Xmas Super Bundle review for you guys. As you can see, again, 16 products for the price of one. Just a no-brainer. Keep in mind, this is for a very limited time, so make sure to pick it up as soon as it goes live today on the 17th of December. That's a Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern. I don't even think they have an early bird. They will just put this up and then take it down. So make sure to grab it as soon as you can. get all the 16 products for the price of one with my bonuses, well over $3,000 worth of bonuses. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Again, you have all of the individual reviews linked in the description. The first link in the description will take you to the sales page. And also, don't forget to like this video on YouTube and subscribe to this channel of mine if you like these reviews videos I'm shooting almost every single day for you guys. So again, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment and I will see you in the next review video. Ciao.